LiftMaster's high-traffic commercial swing and slide gate operators are loaded with industry-leading features. This video provides an overview of the feature-rich control board for the CSW24VDC and CSL24VDC operators. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult your owner's manual for complete instructions and safety information. The Set Open, Set Close, and Move Gate buttons are used to program the limits. Limits determine where the gate stops in the open or closed position. After setting the limits, running through a complete open-close cycle using the test buttons labeled Open and Close allows the controller to automatically set the force. To manually increase or decrease the force, use the reversal force dial for fine-tuning. Another feature important for dual gate applications is the bipart delay. Set the bipart delay to On for synchronized closed applications. When a maglock or decorative overlay is installed, the operator will time the closing of the gates to ensure the primary gate closes last, avoiding potential damage to the gate. In sequential applications, where one gate travels a longer distance than the other, set the bipart delay on both operators to On. The CSL24VDC features Lock. If someone attempts to manually slide the gate open, the operator will power on and return the gate to closed position quickly, securing the property. The Learn button lets you enter the mode for programming accessories, including up to 50 Security Plus 2.0 remote controls and 2 keyless entries. It is also possible to program the individual buttons of a remote to open, close, and stop the door using the test buttons. The Learn button also allows you to program the operator to communicate with an internet gateway using LiftMaster's innovative MyQ technology. The MyQ feature can also be set up using the Reset button, conveniently located on the front of the operator. In installations with 2 operators, communication can be wired or wireless. Use the Learn button to activate wireless dual gate communication. Open, close, and stop can also be used to operate the gate. The LED diagnostic display is an important troubleshooting tool. The Open, Close, and Stop buttons allow you to access and scroll through the diagnostic code history. A variety of error conditions, including wiring and battery issues, are stored, allowing you to resolve these issues more quickly by spending less time figuring out what's wrong. A list of diagnostic codes can be found on the wiring diagram as well as in the manual. Status LEDs indicate whether the gate is moving, timer status, input power, and whether the battery is charging or low. When AC power is lost, CSW and CSL 24-volt DC models continue to operate on battery power. The battery fail control is designed to meet the fire marshal's requirements for emergency access. When the battery power drops to 23 volts on the CSW24VDC or CSL24VDC, the operator will latch the gate in either the open or closed position, depending on the user's selected setting. The timer to close dial allows you to set how long the gate remains open before automatically closing. You can set the closing time anywhere from immediate to 3 minutes. With this switch in the off position, the gate will remain open indefinitely. A variety of accessories can be wired directly to the control board using the terminal blocks on the right side. Individually labeled terminal blocks for entrapment protection and vehicle detection devices allow for easy connection of these important safety features. There are even accessory power terminals that provide 500 milliamps at 24 volts DC for switched and unswitched applications. For users who desire increased functionality, the CSW24VDC and CSL24VDC come with an accessory expansion board installed at the factory. This expansion board provides added features, including control switches to govern gate behavior under a variety of conditions and auxiliary relays for controlling external devices. The expansion board also is equipped with an advanced traffic management control system, which secures your property in 2 ways. Quick Close closes the gate immediately after a vehicle pulls off the interrupt loop. When a vehicle pulls onto the interrupt loop while the gate is closing, anti-tailgate prevents unauthorized access by pausing the gate until the vehicle backs up. Then the gate continues to close. Drawing only 2.7 milliamps, our main board is the most energy efficient in the industry. The standard 7 amp-hour battery provides almost 150 cycles or up to 133 days of backup power for continued access in the event of a power outage. When using the optional 33 amp-hour battery, our superior power management provides over 875 gate cycles, or up to 180 days of standby time. The operator may also be powered using optional solar panels. Solar applications may qualify for a substantial tax credit.